Here in McKinney, we can experience extreme winter weather in the form of freezing rain, ice, or snow. Planning ahead is crucial for cold weather. Basic emergency supplies like a flashlight, food, water, batteries, and a first aid kit in both your car and home can be life-saving during severe weather. It's also a good idea to have backup heating sources with proper ventilation in case of a power outage. If below freezing temperatures are in the forecast, keep faucets dripping, wear several layers of warm clothing, and prepare a winter survival kit for your car. You should also prepare your car by checking all your fluid levels, your tire tread and air pressure, and that you have enough gas to get around in an emergency. Remember, stay informed by keeping an eye on local weather forecasts and follow any winter weather advisories, watches, or warnings issued by authorities. Stay safe, stay warm, and be prepared for whatever winter weather throws your way. Learn more about preparing for winter at McKinneyOEM.org.